Welcome. This video is not entertainment. This is a decision. A decision to stop being silent. A decision to stop feeling small when you want to speak English. If you understand English but freeze when speaking, if you feel shy, nervous, or afraid of mistakes, this video is for you. Because by the end of 2026, you will not just speak English, you will become someone who speaks English. Step 1. Stop blaming yourself. Let me tell you the truth. You are not bad at English. You didn't fail because you were weak. You failed because you were trained the wrong way. English is not knowledge. English is a habit, and habits are built by environment, not intelligence. If English exists only in books and classes, it will disappear in real life. So today, we stop blaming ourselves and start fixing the real problem. Build an English environment. Language grows where it lives. If English lives only 1 hour a day, it will never feel natural. Change your phone language to English. Let English enter your eyes every day. Talk to yourself in English while walking, cooking, brushing teeth. I'm tired today. I need to focus. This food tastes good. Broken English is progress. Silence is failure. You don't need more time. You need English inside your normal life. This is how fluency begins, not with grammar, but with environment.
Step 2. Train your mouth. Your brain may know English, but your mouth doesn't. Speaking is a physical skill. You don't learn swimming by reading, you learn by moving. English speaking works the same way. Shadow 1 minute daily. Copy speed, copy rhythm, copy emotion. Mirror talk every night. Look into your eyes and speak. Talk about your day. Talk about your fear. Talk about your dreams. Confidence is built when your mouth moves daily. Step 3. Think in English. Translation is the biggest enemy of fluency. If you think in your native language, English will always feel slow. So we train English thinking on purpose. Create no translation zones. Shower time, walking time, waiting time. Only English thoughts, even if simple, even if wrong. This rewires your brain. This creates real fluency. Step 4. Deep repetition. Fluency doesn't come from learning more. It comes from repeating better. Repeat one sentence 20 times. I'm improving every day. Say it, feel it, own it. Collect sentences, not words. Use them in speaking. Use them in mirror talk. Repetition makes language automatic. Automatic speech creates confidence. Step 5. Practice alone. You don't need a partner. Fluent people practice alone. They talk to mirrors, they whisper sentences, they repeat alone. That's not crazy. That's discipline. Imaginary conversations. Job interviews, daily situations. Voice journaling every night. Record your voice, listen weekly. You'll hear growth. You'll hear courage. Step 6. Speak like a human. Stop sounding like a textbook. Perfect English doesn't connect. Human English does. Use pauses. Use emotion. Use simple words.
Say, I don't know the word, but let me explain. That is confidence. Speak in chunks, not single words. Match your body language with your voice. Smile, breathe, move. People remember feeling, not grammar. Emotional transformation. Fluency is not English. Fluency is identity. It's choosing to speak when afraid. It's continuing when progress feels slow. It's practicing when no one is watching. This is how confidence is born. One day, you'll speak naturally, not because you forced it, but because English became you. Final promise and call to action. In 2026, make this promise. I will not quit because of fear. I will not quit because of mistakes. I will speak, even when I'm not ready. And one day, I'll realize I'm not learning English anymore. I'm living it. This is your year. This is your voice. This is your fluency.